Hi guys on YouTube. So you might have already guessed by the title, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Boeing 747-400. That's in a 1 to 200 scale by GeminiJets. I picked this model up off Diecast Trading, which is just that little leaflet over there that you get with them. And what these guys do, they actually check the model before it gets shipped out to you, which is, pretty good. Stops any disappointments or any broken parts. They check it thoroughly and make sure it's all good to go. I'm going to open the box. I can't do it with two hands because I've got a camera in my hand, but I'm going to jump cut, open the box and just show you what's inside it. Before I do that, I'm just going to show you around the box as well. You've probably already seen it before on some other videos on YouTube, but yeah, I'll run through that with you now. So on the front of the box, you've got a picture of the aircraft on the left side. Has the GeminiJets logo, the Virgin Atlantic logo as well. Compared to an older version, the one thing that's changed on the front of the box is just that little Virgin logo, just at the top of Virgin Atlantic, which is pretty good. I'm glad they've added that anyway. I'll run through the side of it. Again, GeminiJets logo with the aircraft just on the side here, and then the GeminiJets model version number. On the back, you've got all this information here, just a bit about GeminiJets and basically what they say the model is. So highly collectible, superior quality, which I think is pretty good actually. Detailed printed graphics, which I'm going to do a comparison at the end of the video. I'm going to do some photos of the model compared to the aircraft in real life, and you can get a sense of how accurate the model is. As real as it gets features, I'm assuming that's like, spinning engines. You've got the antennas on there as well, and some other details on there. Rolling rubber tyres, and then you've got a display stand as well. And then it is officially licensed by Boeing, which is pretty good. And just again, nothing too different, but yeah, just the same on the other side. I'm going to take the foam out. Can't do it with two hands. And we'll have a look at the model. Bear with me. All right, so I've got it out of the box. It is in this foam, really neatly packaged, protected. So I'll lift that lid off that now. There we go. And what you'll find is you have a bit of plastic on the top that just protects the tail, and these little antennas just here, and then you've got that there as well, so that protects it from scratching. You've then got the stand, so if you want to display it on that, you can do. It is metal, it is quite sturdy as well. And then just over here, you've got the nose wheel and other landing gear parts on there as well, which I'll put them on and show you how it looks. Then you also get these. So these are the gear housing doors, which I'm not going to use, but they're there in case you want to have it in like a in-flight mode, which is pretty good. Right, I'll take this out and pop it on the stand, and then I'm going to do another one with the gears on. All right, now it's quite heavy. I do have a 1 to 400 scale model as well, which I can do like a comparison for you. Right, I'm going to pop this on the stand and I'll just show you what that looks like. There we go, guys. So on the stand, wheels are on. Let's have a closer look at it. So there we go. You've got the nose of the aircraft, cockpit windows, and pin-up girl saying Tinker Belle just underneath. The actual Tinker Belle title on there is actually misspelt. So it does have an E on the end of Bell on the original aircraft, which I'll show you some photos at the end. Yeah, that's just a little thing that I noticed. It's not a big deal, but yeah. So you've got the Virgin Atlantic titles going along the fuselage, and then you've also got your antennas here. The red little jewel is a beacon for like anti-collision, so that flashes red on the top and on the belly of the aircraft as well. You've then got the landing lights here. These aren't jeweled, it's just painted on. And then you've got the General Electric CF6 engines. These fan blades do move, but one thing I love about these is the actual metallic red colour. You can see that in the light, the reflection on that. So, you know, really detailed. And again, this is the engine one. Again, really detailed, and again, that one does have a moving fan blade. In fact, they all do, so it's a nice addition to it. You've then got on the wingtip, it says Virgin just there, which I'll get a few shots at the end, like I say, of them in detail. You've got the fuel dump nozzle there, and then you can't really see the ailerons, flaps and slats. I'll just see if I can focus on that. There we go, you can kind of see them, but yeah, they're quite fade on camera. Yeah. And then again on the other side, you've got engines 3 and 4. These do, again, move like I say. And again, you've got the Virgin title on the wingtip. You've got a Wi-Fi box just on top of the aircraft here. I do think that should have been a bit of a lighter colour, or at least in the same colour as the fuselage, so all white. It just looks to stand out a little bit. And then you've got some more windows with a registration on the side, so Golf Dash Victor Bravo India Golf. And then the Virgin titles on the back, which looks really nice. And again, even in the light, you can notice it shine. And then you've got your APU exhaust, so I'll just zoom into that. There we go. So yeah, so really detailed. Just spin it around to the other side. It's pretty much the same as on the other side, obviously. Yeah. The only difference on this side is you've got the cargo doors, so just below there it says Boeing 747-400 there as well. That's the first cargo door. And then you've got one just under here as well. Sorry, you've got two just under here. So one there and one there. And then you've got your air intake vents here. And then let's just get an underbelly shot. Virgin Atlantic. There we go. So it's a really nice model. I've got like a little 400 model here as well. I'll just bring that over. This one's a Phoenix one. But you get an idea of, you know, the size difference. Look at that. Absolutely massive. As you'll probably know, as of making this video, Virgin Atlantic have retired their 747-400 fleet, so they're out of service now. I did video a few of them leaving at Manchester. I actually got some videos on my channel of them leaving. I think 2 of them have gone to Spain so far. They're long-term storage. They might even get scrapped, I think, but yeah. So I'm going to take a few pictures now, compare them to real aircraft, and yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks a lot, guys. this is who supplied with the model anyway. Diecast Trading. It's not sponsored at all, I just thought I'd make you aware. It is quite a good website, it's a European website. They do ship worldwide and to the UK as well. What I'll do, I've got 5% discount. So if any of you guys are wanting to get a new plane or anything like that, the discount code's just there at the bottom, so do use that. It's valid until the 30th of June 2020. This is the gent who actually quality checked my aircraft, so Kevin, thank you very much for that. I do appreciate getting to me in one piece, so thank you very much for that.